channel. And I have something I want to share with y'all today. I have ordered a small order from Mad Micas. Mad Micas have wonderful, vibrant micas. Besides Nurture Soap, I would say they're right in line with Nurture Soap. Nurture Soap is my favorite of all times because I've used them for so long. But Mad Micas also has fantastic micas and products. So I'm gonna get this box open that I received today, and we're gonna get started on showing y'all some of my favorites. I don't have a lot ordered, probably about a $50 order, but I'm gonna put the links for all of these colors below. And one of my favorite ones that I could not wait to try was the peacock. So I've got that one in. I wanted to order that one, but then when I started ordering, when I went in to order peacock, then I saw all of these other cool products. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna give you the links down there where you can click on everything. And without further ado, let's get started. Now, I'm gonna open them up here. Went ahead and took a break and cut it open. I'm gonna get the packaging off. It's packaged very nicely. All right, guys. So, in their order, first I have a little sachet package. Let's see what's inside of that. It is some Smarties. I'm gonna eat these, so I might can get smarter, hopefully. I don't know if there's any help for me or not. So I have a little card that they sent. It's like a little business card. It says Mad Micas, but it's a little funny on here. It says, we should have a way of telling other people that their breath stinks without hurting their feelings by saying something like, hey, I'm bored, let's go brush your teeth. So, kind of cute, quirky, whatever, funny. And they sent a little sample. That's really, you can reuse these also. All right, so this is called, Here Comes the Bride. And it's really pretty. I just spilled some out. It's real shimmery. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. It may not focus, but this is very shimmery and white. I'm trying to get it where y'all can see it. See there? It is shimmery and white and beautiful. I may use that little sample with my 1 pound loaves that I make on my sample scent Sundays that I'm gonna be doing starting this Sunday. Okay, hold on. Here's my micas that I ordered. Just hold up. Now, this one's called Tangerine Dream. Tangerine Dream is pretty. It reminds me a lot of Nurture's, I don't know, it reminds me of Electric Orange. That's what it reminds me of, is a color that I have out there called Electric Orange. Oop, too much in the sun. There it is. Very, very pretty. Very bright and very vibrant. I'm gonna run through these real quick. I don't want y'all to get bored, but I want y'all to see them firsthand. You know, before I order micas, I'm like, the pictures don't sometimes do them justice. This one is the reason why I ordered, and I had heard all kind of rave reviews. It's called Peacock. Peacock is the name of it. And this is blue, but you know how with peacock colors, it has that green kind of overcast to that blue? Well, that's what this is. So here it is, guys. It's beautiful. There it is. It has like a green hue to it. Love it. I've seen it in co-processed soaps. I've seen it in co-processed soaps, and it actually is amazing. So I can't wait to put it in some soap. So on to the next one. This one's another one that I really wanted to try. It's called Tahitian Teal. Tahitian Teal is beautiful. It's very good. Maybe also great for beachy soaps. Can't wait to try that one. Moving right along. This one is, God, I hope I say this right. Aphrodite. Yeah, I think I said it right. Aphrodite. However you want to say it, whatever. From Mad Micas, I'm going to put you the link in the description box below. Beautiful blue. Beautiful, beautiful blue. There you go. Very shimmery. All these are very shimmery. This is another one that I was really anxious to try, called Voodoo. And Voodoo is kind of like a poppin' bright pink color, and I can't wait to use it. It's beautiful. Oh, I just like whooshed some into the air. There it is. Real pretty pink. This one, I know I'm excited about every one of them. It seems like I have said I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. But I truly am excited about these. I just ordered the ones that I was excited about. And there was more I wanted to buy, but I could have spent probably $500 on stuff. And you know how it is. You just want to order, and you want to order everything you see. If you're a soap maker, you get what I'm saying. Okay, so in the South, I'm not sure about all around the world. Oh, my little baby wants to come up here. Hold on, let me get my baby. Come on, you can come sit with me. This is my baby. And her name is Minnie. She's my baby. See, that's my baby. Say hi to everybody. Look, say hi. This is my little baby. Oh, here's my baby. She's my baby. Anyway, let's see, she'll sit there. Well, I don't think she will. I think she wants down. Yeah, she wants down. All right, so in the South, we have a drink called Grape Nehi, or a Nehi grape, or however you want to say it. My grandmother used to drink them all the time. Her favorite one was Nehi peach, but it reminded me of my grandma when I saw this color, and then I saw how amazing the color looks. Can't wait to try it. But this one's called Grape Nehi, and it's an amazing purple that I can't wait to put in soap. It's gonna be gorgeous. Anyway, there that one is. I'll put the link below. Got more goodies. Okay, this one is Mad Mica's Key West Blue. And this reminds me of an electric blue. Very beautiful. Be a good beachy soap. Very pretty. I love it, love it, love it. Who don't? Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Okay. Husband's going to kill me when he gets home. Maybe not. Just kidding. Okay, so these are some little 0.25 of an ounce in weight sample jars that I ordered. Now, I love this little color. I'm gonna try it and see if I like how it comes out. I saw a sample of a soap that somebody had said they used this color, so we're gonna see what it looks like. And I think it's gonna be just gorgeous. It is called Mint Julep. So there's Mint Julep. Like I said, it's gonna be real pretty in soaps. So there's that one, and this one is ballet slippers. Oh, how precious. Now that one makes a beautiful baby pink color in soaps. And I've got 2 more to go. One is called Twilight, and I have seen a soap that somebody did with this one, and it was like a navy blue color, so really hard to get a navy blue. This one, if it comes out the same as I've seen in their soap, as long as they didn't add something else to it and didn't tell. But this one is really pretty too in soaps, and it looks like electric blue on camera, but in that soap it looked like a navy blue. So I think she did a Americana soap or something, and that was her blue. And last but not least, I did order a brown. I know we don't do a whole lot of browns this time of year, but I did order this brown. I thought it would be pretty, and I thought that it would be good for fall. This one's called Magic Beans. So there it is, and the color on the camera is kind of quirky. That's what it looks like right there, if you can kind of see it. It's real pretty. I wish it would focus correctly. But anyway, it's gorgeous. I love all their micas. I can't wait to get out there in the shop and get busy making some soaps with all these brand new micas that I got in today. I'm so excited. Y'all, thank y'all for watching. I love you guys. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each and everybody. And until next time, guys, we'll see ya. Bye. Love y'all. Just a minute, I gotta. Sorry. Magic beans. If you join Mad Mica.